How to set objectives and priorities for your dedicated resources to achieve optimal results. There are many times when you want to know how to set objectives and priorities for your dedicated resources. This video will provide an overview of how that can be done. Optimal results can be achieved by setting objectives and priorities for these resources. By having a clear plan of action, you can ensure that your dedicated resources are being used efficiently and effectively, resulting in improved performance and increased productivity. In this video, we will discuss how to set objectives and priorities for your dedicated resources so that you can achieve optimal results. How to set clear objectives and priorities for your dedicated resources. If you're looking for ways to get the most out of your dedicated resources, setting clear objectives and priorities is an important step. It's essential to ensure that your dedicated remote developers are working on the right tasks in the right order. As a result, their efforts will be directed toward a specific goal, thus enabling them to work more efficiently. Different skill sets, levels of experience, and demographic backgrounds can lead to different ways for remote resources to get the most out of their time and energy. 5 tips for setting effective objectives and priorities for your dedicated resources. Set clear goals. Make sure that your goals are clearly defined so that everyone involved knows what they should be working towards. Identify resources needed. Evaluate what kind of specific skills, tools, and other resources will be required to accomplish these goals. Allocate time appropriately. Estimate how much time it would take to complete each task or achieve a certain objective, then allocate accordingly. Track progress regularly. Use metrics or other tracking mechanisms to gauge success and adjust course as needed over time. Reassess periodically. Regularly review current objectives and priorities in order to make adjustments to the course of action. Conclusion. In order to make sure that the resources are used efficiently and effectively, it is important to set objectives and priorities. This helps in establishing a clear purpose for the dedicated resources, which can then be used in an organized manner to reach the desired goals. Objectives and priorities should be set with an understanding of what is important for the organization's long-term success.